Hey there YouTube, this is going to be a review of my Cz75 Sp01 Phantom and 9mm. Now, there's been a lack of reviews on the CZ lately, so I just wanted to put my 2 cents into the fray. And unfortunately, I'm not going to have a lot of information or background because a lot of other YouTubers can do a lot better than me, so I just leave it for them, and I don't really care about getting views, so I bought some Cajun Gunworks upgrades for it, like the SRS reset kit. Makes the trigger reset a lot better than what it was, and I put a power return spring here, music wire power return spring to line up that double action, so it shoots a lot better in double action. The sights don't really bother me, but I did add some paint into it, some green dots here, painted green, and I paint the front one orange so I could get a better sight picture. It's small, but ain't nobody got an extra $70 or $80. I can use that for some ammo and just get more training out of it. And I put some grip tape. This is a little gasket cover. I just put it here to get a little bit more extra room to push. And it'll fall off eventually, but I can always replace it, so it's not a biggie. And I want to show you the trigger a little bit, and you can see this is a snap cap, so don't freak out too much. Alright, it's empty. Okay, so as you can see, that's the take up. Bam, really nice. This is, well, I'm too lazy to edit, so it's just gonna be a lot of raw footage. So let's try that again. So here's the trigger. And here's the reset. Really nice. I like this upgrade a lot. Makes it a really sweet shooter. And hope you guys like this quick view of the Cz75 Phantom. And hope you have a good one.